climb up here to get them. Come back here. Show us the bin when you're done picking. Yes, there is a lot of peppers in there. Yeah, so far we have, let me mix it up so you can see the variety here. Here's what we got so far. We got some green ones that I'm picking right now. There's some red and some black ones. There's a lot of the mystery orange and purple ones. Yeah. You get that one. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it... I don't think it will draw car alert. We're next to the road, but we're not in the road. Because we'll hear them. It's so frosty. But they just kind of went past. Color wrong consistency. Not squishy enough. Shoot's probably getting damp because I'm leaning down in the frost. No. Those are too dark. Too dark. There's so many. It's insane. Here, I'll come show you guys. In there, these are some of our other figs that are ripe that we put in the freezer. Save back for fig jam. The goats get grumpy when they don't get enough of these. I do too. I'm just better at attempting to hide it than the goats are. Ow, 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 let go. What am I caught on? Ow. I'm awake now. Okay. Wake up, figs. Rise and shine. That one splat very loudly. Alright. What did I miss? Back of the bush. The final rung. We're not at the back of the bush. We're at the front of the bush. I haven't even made it over there. I mean, there's not that many ripe yet. Not at this level, but it's coming. Yeah. I need to just turn around. Okay. I can reach a little bit on this one. Okay, that eases some of it. The pot stole my mic. How the clip I get? Yeah, the clip got stuck on it. Okay, that's a thing that the berries are angry. They have something to say. Their voices will be heard. Jeez. Those, but who knows? They're so pretty. I love all the color. Okay. emergency milk. We have our pectin. We have our vinegar. And we have our sugar, which will also tone down the heat. Removing the seeds, heat plus sugar will tone down the heat of most peppers. But yeah. They landed on the East Coast. I wonder if that's the Hawks or the Blue Jay. Hi. Hello, kitty. All the fruits ripe all at once, and no. Hey, you can sit there. You just need to not get into the things. They helped harvest the plums. Yes, last night we were picking some more plums off the plum tree. And the cats, there's 2 neighbor kitties, and the cats were both climbing the tree and knocked some down. So they did actually help a little. No. I've tasted both of them. It tastes close enough that they'll at least blend together to make a nice, interesting new flavor. Let's see. Oh wait, we need a dish for all the stems to go in. Unless I dump them all together. We should weigh them first.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need about 3 pounds.
3 pounds.
Of figs. There we go. You ever had figs before? Just fig Newtons. These are... Wait, what is boiling in the pot? So, this pot has water in it. This is the canner. So that it's gonna have the jars in it when it's time. And then this pot is the pot with all the berry juice in it. And sugar. Literally just berry juice and sugar. At 144 degrees. And then the other one's at... Very nice. I mean, a specific type of fig. Yes. The ones we have in the yard are honey figs. Yeah, the jars just look like white out.
Magical.
You're gonna look good once they have stuff in it. We need to add the pectin.
Yeah. So that's the difference between the liquid pectin and the powdered pectin.
Powdered pectin you would have added first, but the liquid
and then add the sugar later.
And then add the sugar later, but then it's reversed. Yeah. Stuff got completed. My hands probably smell great. It smells like plum juice.
Oh, Jasper will follow you around like a puppy.
Oh yeah, that's right, because plums were his favorite thing ever in the history of things.
That's how he learned how to do his trick.
Was for plums at market.
Yeah, I would go get plums at the other end of market.
And then that's how he got trained. And I thought for future put never made cactus jam before can, you know, pick it up, because someone might be interested in that, but they might not know it's a thing till they see a YouTube video about it. I mean, that was me with goat milk soap. Wasn't until I saw Martha Stewart and the Beekman Boys doing it, I was like, oh, so that's possible. And I can make it better. Thought it would basically be a cabbage. Yeah. All of them, if it was up to you.
Put 1 big spoon in the slushies.
Yep. Plum slushy. Thank you for the follow. like if you're like if you're filming music videos and stuff where you need to change your look, I could see where that would be a need. But mostly it's just like a fun tool, like a tape measure. That's like a or a sawzall. Yeah. Mom says behind the scenes.
Spackle.
Spackle. Yeah. Did somebody say gumbo? Oh yeah, I never. Alright, you guys have another bite. And then we'll go give apples to the goaties.
Yeah.
What kind is cheese? Chevra? Yeah.
Deborah.
Just regular chevra that we usually make.
Yeah, on Sunday we're going to do moz.
Mozzarella on Sunday. I want some as well. I know, it's so good. Great thing about the eating people for superpowers. We were talking about Wendigos and how the myth was to prevent, you know, it's like that don't eat your friends just because it's a really bad winter. And then I'm like, that probably wouldn't have worked on me because like the Wendigos have superpowers, man. That wouldn't have deterred me. Get more does Amazon Horf at all? That's the other thing I need to look up. Is I don't know if. Come up here, bud. Come here. There you go. I don't know if it results in a pay increase to me or not. No, you seem offended that I offered you that. Hi. Sorry. Sorry. No? There you go. Oh, left my chat phone inside. You want some? No? We'll have some more. Then we'll let Jelly clean out the dish. Yeah, happy good. Did you get it on your nose? She cut it up her nose. Oh.